So, I don't want to disturb the beach. But I do want the truck driving through here. Because this seems like the best path for the truck to drive. I'm only going to be able to do one truck with this path because of how narrow it is. But I'm thinking, what if we set the truck up all the way back here? If we did a truck stop all the way back here, it's not the greatest because you have to drive a long distance, right? But if we set this up to where they have to drive a long distance, we might be able to do 2 trucks. The idea being that we have one drive along this side, pick it up, and then it drives back on that side. So if the 2 trucks cross, they won't hit each other, right? There will be a period right here where they don't have a choice. They have to, you know, they're gonna use the exact same road. But if I can space them out, the problem with spacing them out though is that as soon as they run out of supply and they can't take a delivery and they stop, then everything just gets screwed. I'm gonna see what it's like to do one truck. I think I'm gonna do the truck stop right here. Hopefully that's good enough. I can't have enough concrete now. Oh, come on. All right, hold on. Let's rethink this. I was hoping to make a platform for the truck to be on. So there's a truck station here, right? It does its thing. Trucks come in here and they get loaded up, right? You just keep forgetting where the stuff is. It's in ramps, obviously. They come up that ramp. They go down that ramp, right? They come up here, push through. Load, go down the ramp and go the other way, right? Go down the ramp and go the other way. Okay. If that's the case, this isn't really needed, but it looks a little bit better as like an extended loading platform of some kind. Plus, I'm secretly hoping that they do ships. Like, I want to see ships. I do. I really do. I'm going to pick this limestone so that I have resources to make my own concrete over here. Hey, Top Networks. How are you? Corby, welcome. I had 3 trucks, just made sure there was enough of a gap between them on each recording. Yeah. I think if you time it right, the worry I have, though, is if the resources... Like if we run out of rotors, because it's gonna be hauling rotors to me, right? If we run out of rotors, like what happens to the truck? Does it just sit there? Wait to be loaded? Does it mess up my timing? That's the thing I'm not sure about. Well, this is all hung up, probably because this is full. Yep. All right, so we need to get storage for this stuff. Unless I don't care about storage for this stuff. Maybe we put storage bins up here. But the truck stop is way over there now, right? So how are we gonna play resources? Way over there. Well, that's the second truck stop. We would still have to get resources over there. It doesn't work. Like, I like that location for this truck stop because it gives me time to space out the tractors. But at the same time, this location just doesn't work. I might have to disrupt the beach. I don't want to disrupt the beach. I really don't want to do it. I don't want to do it. How am I going to get this resource? These two things are making the prerequisite for motors. The motors are going to be combined into one track and sent down the beach. Right? Or at least these things are. Sent down the beach. Now we need rotors. If we deliver rotors over there, the rotors have to come back. So if we're delivering rotors over here, let's just take a look at it. Can the truck stop? Maybe Top seems to know what he's talking about in terms of vehicles. Can the truck stop be told to take resources out of the truck and put resources in the truck? Or is my understanding correct that you need one truck stop for each of those functions? Like the truck stop is going to do an either or kind of thing. Because that receives fuel to refuel the truck. And then this is either an export or an import. So I need one or the other. I like this area for a truck. I really do. I want to see them driving across this beach. If I move this back further, then I can't get the belt in there. That's the reason why it's as far forward as it is, because I need to get the belt up there. And then the coal is right there. So my plan was to split that belt here, bring it down here, so we could fill this up. The only other alternative is to have another truck stop on the way as we pass by the coal generators, which might, admittedly, that one might work better. It'd be cheaper too, much cheaper. I think we'll refuel that way. So if we're refueling that way, then this one either needs to accept rotors. Wait. Wait. Oh, wait. Wait. I think I solved it. Hang on. I think I solved this problem that we have. It's not going to be necessarily the cleanest solution, but I think it will work. Okay, so let's hook this back over here. Put it on the top one. Oh, it won't fit. All right, try this. No, you need to be this. You need to be here. And you need to be up. You need to be here. I need you to be there. Otherwise, this doesn't work. Well, maybe it does. If I take... Maybe it does. Maybe it does. Give me a second. Damn you. Why? Why, video game? Why must you mess with me, video game? Go this way. Please? Please? Okay. Here's what we'll do. We'll just go like this. See how you like this? Let's see how you like this. Let's see how you like this. How do you like me now? Shit, I can't do that though, because then this cliff is gonna clip. Frick! Unless I deviate here, which will look stupid. It technically works. Video game. Video game. Okay, hang on, maybe. No, it's not gonna, that's not gonna work. I need this to be lower. This has to be lower in order to fit into my plans. You gotta be lower. Maybe a stack belt can go here. Can you fit right here? If I go this way first, maybe it's a little bit easier. Come on, game. Come on, game. Video game. How about this? Hold on, will you do this for me? You'll do this for me, won't you? Will you do this for me? Maybe this is the answer. Yeah, you'll do this for me. That works for me. Let me see the clip. Okay, let's move. Let's get this thing back to here. Close enough. I can live with it. No, I can't. Nope, definitely can't. That's just the way I am. Can't. I will not survive knowing that that is clipping through. Come on. Let me place you. Yes. Yes, that works. Okay. This goes to here. Wraps around with this belt. You come back that way. Moving. All done. Okay, rotors. Rotors are gonna do this. Oh, you know what? I don't even care about fall damage because I'm excited, okay? So let's do it. Because I've got blue nuts. That's all you need, is blue nuts. All right, so what we're gonna do, this is gonna be configured as an out. Is this coal? It's in there now. We're gonna have, this is unloading or loading? This is unloading. Correct, unloading. We'll take the belt from here. We don't need it to be fast because it's not going to be that many resources. I don't know why I'm getting a phone call on my phone, but I guess I'll just have to wait, won't they? All right, take this. Let's go up about there. Good. Go like, nope, you don't have to be a Mark II. Quit it. You don't have to be a Mark, you don't have to be a Mark II. Good. Now we'll take you, right? We're gonna raise you up and incorporate you into that, all right? So we're gonna wanna go like this. You just connect to each level as you go, right? Bam, bam. I say, bam. All the way up. Rolling, rolling, rolling. Stop. Rolling, rolling, rolling. Rotors are now in play, boys. We now got rotors. They're gonna be brought right through here. That's gonna be sweet. So now what do we do with them, right? Well, these things are being produced way over here. Which now in hindsight, because I know where those are, because I know where these are being made, it's actually not that smart to make them all the way over there. Because we're bringing them towards the water now, so part of me actually wants to reposition like all of these machines. Or at least these two. Reposition these two machines so that they bring their supplies that direction instead. I don't know if I have the inventory space for that. I'm gonna do it. This entire operation is moving, boys. It is no longer efficient to do it here. Do not worry, do not fear. We'll be right back, and I know I'm full of inventory space. So let's put the assembler. These things, the belt's gotta wrap around. Yep, okay, so hang on, the belt's gonna wrap around these two belts. We're gonna go with, let me get this thing put back on 4 here. We'll go Mark 3 belt, or we'll go Mark 1 belts for now, just until we get the logistics of everything sorted. We're gonna go like this with you. I'm missing concrete of all the things in the world. Of all the things. I don't have concrete there. I can pick these up though. I can pick these up as well. Yep. There's some concrete. So that at least gives me the concrete slot that I need. Can't pick that up. Why? Oh, I'm full. Okay, that's fine. This is kind of a pain in the ass. Just saying. Okay, these are stacked on top of each other now. So we can take both of these belts. It's the same exact resource, so we'll take both of these belts and we'll wing it around and we'll have it go somewhere where we need it. But for right now, I'm out of concrete and that's a little annoying. And I don't know where my truck is down there. So I think for the short term, just so I can not be full of my inventory all the time, just for the short term, I'm gonna dump all these resources I don't need for building this infrastructure, so I can have the space, basically. Oh, wait, limestone. I want to keep that because I can make the concrete that I need so badly with it. I have bags of concrete coming in. No, I do. It's over there. I could probably just take them out. I forgot. Not even gonna try to like fake it. I just totally forgot they were there. All these bags. But there's a nice steady flow and we're still making stuff with it, so I'm gonna leave it alone. Because I got tons of limestone in my inventory and I'd rather just get it out. Look at us, 38 concrete from all this. And it's dividable by 3, so that means all the limestone is out. Goodbye, limestone. Okay, I can make things now. Also, this can go. So now what I think I want to do instead, we'll take these stackable things. Oh, why? Game. Video game. This is needless. It's needless, I say. All right, fine. Fine. Bring it back here. It's such a short distance. But I need it. It's gonna make me do it. Because of clearance. We still haven't fired Clarence yet. Still haven't fired that guy. All right, so one will go this way, one will go that way, and then it'll hook up to both machines along with the copper. And the copper, which is sitting up here doing nothing, needs to stay up high for a little bit longer. I'm wondering if the game will let me. Like this. Will you let me do that? Cool. Maybe it didn't have to go quite that high. We can actually go down a level if we want to. Constructors are going where? Where are you going? Also have the rotors that are coming to come in on that side. I think the only way to really properly do this right, without tons of tries, is gonna be to do it from a lookout tower. So let's do it. We're gonna need to see what we're dealing with from up high. How did you raise that pole? Tried everything, couldn't work it out. The pole is clicked twice to place. You may notice that when you place it, it makes you click once, and then it's like you have to click again, right? You may have noticed that. If that's the case, right? So there's the first stage is asking you positioning. The second stage is asking you how high. So just pick your mouse up, look up, and you can raise it up and down with after the first click. All right. So from up here, copper's coming in from there. Constructors are going to be wait, assemblers, not constructors, assemblers. I'm missing my rotors. Because I put them in that storage bin, so I could have more inventory space for the building. I think 1 and 2. This is the easiest way to do it, I think. It's just to go bam, bam, like this. I think that's the easiest way to assemble this. Top one will go this direction and stick itself into here. Bottom one will go this direction and like right underneath it, let's say. But then it will deviate and go into there. All right, I like that. Now, the copper is a complicated matter. On one hand, I need it to go there, but I also need it to go over there. So we have to split the belt in midair, which I hate doing because it looks terrible. But I'm gonna do it anyway, because it's the best way to do it. And then one belt will come out this direction. No, we'll raise it up. One belt will come out this direction. Or not. And I have this, yeah, there you go. Yep, and then make its way, oh, okay. Okay, okay, I see, no problem. Hang on. Can I, yep, yep, okay, thanks. You, I think I'm just gonna feed it directly. You need a little bit more persuasion, so how about we give you some? Okay then, new plan. There you go. Split it in midair, which I hate doing, but I did it. All right. Then this belt kicks out of here. There's gonna be a merger point, I think. Although, is there really a point to the merger? Because we're not gonna be able to make enough motors. We have to make complete rotor production over here to do that. If we overclock the iron, we might be able to do dedicated. I think this is overkill. I don't think we need this many. I'm gonna do it anyway, but I don't think we need this many right now. This is it's too much. It's not efficient. There's no reason to do it this way. This is not gonna work very well. That's what I'm trying to say. We'll do it in line with this one. I have no idea where this is gonna have to go in. I'm kind of hoping this fits, but I have a feeling that angle is off. Nope, it works. Good. You are gonna go around there. All of you will go that way. And then this belt from here comes around this way. Yep. Wait, you'll just do this? You will, but it's because of the lookout. This doesn't need to be here. Yeah, this will just go around like this. Into there. Technically, we have automated motor production, provided we can give it power first of all. We have to make power, so we'll put this down like this. Hook this to here. What are you going to? That power pole, which is powering these two machines. Yeah. Well, instead of that, you're going to provide the power to that machine, for that pole. And then you're also going to provide another pole here. Yep, and then you're gonna give power to this machine, and you're gonna give it to this machine. I have a feeling this isn't going to go well. I have a feeling it's not gonna go well. Let's find out. The only thing left to do is tell this to make motors and then give it full rotor for a while. But then the motors are gonna come down this way. They're gonna have to lift it up actually. So the motors are gonna come up this high for a bit. And we'll have it go about like this, just to go over top of this. Zero this out, come down to here. And then you go down this way, which is, you know, not really where I wanted you, but that's where you ended up. I don't think that will work at all. Where's the second truck stop gonna be? I feel like I have to use the beach. I have to use the water, don't I? Don't I have to use the water? Like, this is the best spot for this truck stop to be. It just is. And then it picks it up and takes it away. Or we just put motor storage here and we just have the storage be here. Like, look at these motors are being made. There it is. There's one right there. It's our first motor right there. Always make, then fill it to 100%, make sure the belt is full, and then add power to it. I feel like that's what I just did. I must say these kinds of games have never been super interesting for myself as they stress me out and I want everything to be perfectly, but just watching Charlie talk and build this way through things is awesome. I don't care if it's perfect. Yeah, like it doesn't increase efficiency to make it in line, right? It's all about distances, belt distances, and more or less it's about putting the right amount of things into the right amount of machines. And you don't have to be completely perfectly lined up to do that. I do get a little bit like about clipping, but that's it. Like, that's it. Belt clipping is all I got. I'm pretty confident this will not work, but let's just see if it does. Yep, it's too steep. That's what I was afraid of. I'm not sure how to fix that. I could go down there and then around. Or can we move it all that way? Ick. I don't want to cross this. I like how wide open it is, but at the same time, I have to get these motors down there, don't I? How do I get that belt down here without... I guess I'd have to go a little bit at a time, right? So, is this too steep? You won't let that happen, okay? But the way this slope is, I can go further away, but it's not really changing how steep it is. It's not changing how steep it is. And I don't want to go down this slope, but I might have to. I think it's gonna make me. I'm gonna do it. I guess I'm gonna do it, because that's what I have to do. We'll take the motors. We're gonna go like this then. We'll take this direction. Is this enough clearance for the concrete? I don't think it is. I'm pretty sure. Was it enough before? Are you going under or are you clipping? Oh, I think you fit. Hey, I think you fit. Yeah, you do. You fit. Oh, concrete, you fit. That's nice. Thanks for fitting. I appreciate that. Okay, good. Good. All right, let's come down this way then. Frick. No, one plate shy. You suck. Ugh. I need one iron ore. But see, like, look at this. This is all nice. And it's not that unorganized. I mean, yeah, is it spaghetti? Sure, but there's a system to this. There's a bit of a method to the madness. You know? A little bit of a method. It's not the worst base you've ever seen. I'll have another one that's, like I said, I'm gonna make it in buildings. All the machines will be in buildings and we'll have actual, you know, factory-like structures. This is not gonna be enough. I'm gonna have to go back to the... I'm gonna have to go back to my actual storage for plates because I'm not gonna have enough to make this. But the good news is at least my truck is nearby and I can easily drive on that new road that I made, so. Because I'm not gonna have enough plates to actually go through the water and deliver the motors. And actually, before I do that, I should probably think about whether or not tier 5 and 6 after it's unlocked, am I even gonna need to bring motors to the space elevator? Because I've never had that unlocked before. So what I should be doing before I do any of this, I'm just gonna connect this because I can. What I should be doing before I do any of this is to see whether or not I actually need Do you not have any fuel? Just because I don't want to, like, cut through this corner and somehow dip in and die. I'm gonna do that. Now I don't have to worry about that corner anymore. Let's come over to space elevator and deliver it. Beep. Stand by. Stand by, shore party. Decontamination in progress. What game is that from? Bet you don't remember. Oh, I don't have enough motors. Because I'm apparently incapable of counting. Great. And now I've fallen and I can't get up. Also great. This is why OSHA wouldn't approve of how we've done our base. We also get lost and disoriented and we can't find our way. When is the stream ending? Well, that's a very... Well, that question. When is the stream ending? Just kidding with you. It should have ended a half an hour ago. But I'm having a lot of fun, so it didn't, even though it should have. I'm gonna get that current milestone out of the corner. So we're not just sitting there with it telling me I need to put 1 bacon into the machine. You know, as long as I actually have bacon to give it. Which I do, thanks. Seems like a bit of a waste of a trip. Just saying. Seems like a bit of a waste. Let me get plates. Oh, give it to me. Look at all those plates. Yes, I don't need this many. You know what? I'm gonna take this many, because I probably will need this many. All right. I want to set it up to where the motors manufacturing delivers them for me. I don't want to do it by hand anymore. I want it to be delivered for me. And then whatever else we need to bring to it, we'll try and have it delivered for me too. Whee! Back it up. There we go. And now it's just a matter of getting these things basically placed how we want them. So go, I guess, this way. And then the easiest way to build this from this point on is... Yeah, we have tons of them. Good. Wait, how much concrete do we have? 8? Okay. 8. 8 concrete. We're gonna make it work. Look at all these motors coming in. Got all these motors coming in. Isn't that nice? Okay. Easiest way to do this is to go... I think we're gonna go this way with it. And then here. Off we go. And then stop. Where is the entry? think it's, yeah, it's on this side, obviously. All right, go up. Go this way. Does this work? Cool. Good. We're gonna run out of concrete in a second. I'm gonna take these motors around this tree because it feels like that would be awesome to see. Just saying. Kind of like a roller coaster. Yeah, you know, get it down low. Yeah, we can go lower now. I like it. Let's lower this down. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Can I get on top of that? Oh, so I freaking can. Are we clipping? No, that counts. That counts as clipping. I can't do it. I can't, guys. I can't live with myself. I can't have it. It doesn't look good. We gotta ditch it. Start over. Abandon ship. Can't have it. No clipping allowed. That'll work. You know what? That'll work. I'm all right with it. That'll be fine. Okay. Now we need to go over top the walkway. So going low wasn't necessarily the best call. But we can take this. Yeah, we need to go above the walkway. So this is actually not going to work. But we can put one of these little posts right here. Right here. And see whether or not that fits. It does. So you can go right to here now. No, it doesn't work. Why? Is it because of the path? Is my path gonna bite me in the ass now? What? No, you let me go this way before. What the hell, man? What the hell, bro? You'd let me do this, but not this? Why? Makes no sense, game. You're making no sense. Is this where I need it? No, I need one more higher. I need to go higher than that. Shoot, man, I need to go higher than that. But I bet if I go any more, then it's not gonna work. It's gonna tell me that it's not gonna clear. Like, you'll do that, no problem, but you won't do this? Now you will. Okay, good. There it is. Done. I can walk underneath it. Good. Done. So, motors are now being creatively delivered directly to the space elevator. Creatively delivered. But now that I've done that, I have enough to load it up. So let's do it. Up it goes. And there's an animation for it now. Cool. Look at that. Oh, there's an animation for it now. I love it. They didn't have that before. Good. Good. I'm so satisfied. So satisfied. What's next? Right, unavailable in early access. Right. Because I can't do tiers 7 and 8. It was worth it anyway, okay? It was worth it. Because I can't do 7 and 8, so whatever. Well, are these things gonna stop now? Are they just gonna stop? Aww. They are going in, but I guess my question is, am I losing them? I don't know if I'm losing them or not. I think just to be safe here, I'm gonna not have that go directly in anymore. Wozers, my son. My son, what are you doing up there? Yeah, all of this is gonna be clearance problems, yeah. I think temporarily we're not gonna do that, but what I can do, if it'll let me walk all the way back on there, which probably not, because I'm gonna, you know, maybe it'll work out. It's fine. It was fun to make the belt anyway, okay? It was fun. Had a good time making this belt. This long belt kind of looks like a train should be on it instead. But I had a good time. Let me go with... Yeah, it'll stop without rotors, which is why I'm looking at this now. So if I do this, that just delivers the rotors up the belt, which will eventually be assembled into motors all the time. But let's get storage set up for it, because I'm actually not sure if I'm losing it. Since it's locked. Since it's, I don't know if I'm just like sending them into this locked abyss. So just for safety reasons, I'm gonna go ahead and do this. And I'm gonna build storage right here. Just gonna plop a storage bin right here. And this is gonna just go into storage instead of that. And then later on, when tier 7 gets unlocked and we can actually do that project, we'll just take the storage bin away, deliver the motors, but we'll just take the storage bin away and hook the belt back up. There's no way that fills up. Like, we're not gonna have, that's not gonna fill up with motors. So, one thing we could do now is play around with this truck delivery, right? We want this truck delivery to start happening, so let's see about that. So the idea is, I want to get coal into this too, right? Or are we doing it near the water? I think we do it near the water instead, over there. Because all the coal is still it's already coming down there anyway, we might as well. It's already right there. I could remove, yeah, I'm not moving it. I am not moving it. Not gonna happen. Thing is staying right there, or removing it, I mean. I think the truck stop is probably gonna go. We could put it on the water. We could put it on the water. Right here is a fine spot for it. Does it actually just stop right here? Like floating in midair like this? Is it gonna do that? Okay, it goes up on stilts. That's not bad. Honestly, like, I don't know where this Caterium is. That's what I gotta figure out. Making aluminum is gonna be such a bitch. On this map tile. All right, let's take a look at it. What do we got? We got oil processing, but no pipes. And industrial manufacturing allows us to make the big truck. I'm pretty sure the big truck is gonna need a bit more space than our tractor does. Manufacturer crafts 3 or 4 parts into another part. Can be automated by feeding parts into it with a conveyor belt connected to the input. Produced parts can be automatically extracted by connecting conveyor belt to the output. So what I need for this are things that I already... Sorry. Things that I'm already making. Oil pump, oil refinery, fuel. And circuit boards. We have a new tier 3 unlocked. Alternate modular heavy frame, yeah. The alternate modular heavy frame We got lots of stuff to do here, folks. There's the final Mark IV belt. Is there a Mark V belt? I don't remember that. I don't think there is. There's 9 slots here for tiers. Fuel generators, gas mask. Yeah. Yeah, gas mask. We're going for gas mask. It's a shame, though. I gotta do computers and stuff, though, so probably best to get this going first. For the motors, we'll just have to stop back in later, I guess, because it's a lot of them. This is full. We'll take one of these. Screws are full. We'll take one of these. And let's take the... No, not... I don't really need the concrete. Let's take my wire. I think that's all I needed. Might be like 4 wires shy on this, I think. Maybe not. Yeah, we're good. Okay. Modular frames, done. Didn't grab cable because I'm dumb. And then we'll just go get the motors when we're ready. So let's see about how many motors we have in storage now. Do I still have my rotors on me? Yeah, I got enough. We'll get a truck path set up probably tomorrow. We'll do it at the next stream. Because I'm out of time today. I should have ended the stream 40 minutes ago. I'm just having too much fun. I should probably also take a look at my power grid to see how that's doing. This truck stop will just be here, though. That's kind of cool. Because if that's the case, right, then all we got to do is take this belt right here, for example, split it, bring it over there, and there's our fuel source for this place. You know? We could just do it right now. Although, we want it to go up above where the truck's going to drive, so we would actually want it to be higher up. Maybe up here. This isn't a bad spot necessarily. It's a longer belt. Certainly gonna make the belt longer, but I don't mind. We're all about the spaghetti here, so I don't mind. Long belts are just, you know, the nature of the beast. This is where we drive, so let's not do anything around near where we're gonna drive. We're just gonna bring it up high. And then we go about like this. Oh, no concrete. Great, great news, good. Pulling coal off my line for no reason. Can I make concrete? I just got done saying I don't need concrete as I left the base, and I do. Now I do. Now I do. I just want to unlock the oil source so I can see where it is and stuff and scan for it. And then, yeah, from there we'll just go ahead and call the stream, you know? Jetpack, yeah. Jetpack's a thing. It's gonna be fun. Gonna be fun. I've never used it before, so that'll be fun. 32 motors. It's not enough motors. Did you run out of rotors, or are you just slow? I think you're just slow. You know what I think? I think you're just slow. Don't worry, I can help you with that. Temporarily. I will temporarily help you with your slowness. At the expense of my entire power grid, most likely. Hang on. How much power is this? That's a bit dangerous. Sorry. Let's, sorry. We'll take this down a little bit more. Now it can make a motor every 6 seconds. Now it's making 10 per minute. That's good. That's good. Good. Tractor. I keep calling it a truck. I definitely mean tractor. Down we go. Oh boy. No. It's a bit fast. Who would have thought it's hard to stop in sand? I'm gonna do automation here. I think, yeah, I want a better path, I think. Chicken, you're coming in right at the very end, man. I'm literally dropping this off and we're done. Sorry, man, sorry. Motors. Show me oil. Show me oil.
Milestone reached. Oil acquisition and refining unlocked. Oil-based products can now be made. Caution, this is a reminder to minimize the chance of expiration during out-of-base activities.
Come on, be close. It's not close. It's not that far, actually. It's not that far away. In fact, there are 2 sources right over here. Okay. Okay. Let's just take a closer look, real quick. They're way over here. Not the end of the world. I bet they're up on top of that. I bet they're right up on top of that there. I'm sorry, what? Way up there? Are you, sir? Oh, hold on, way up there? No, come on. Is that really where you are? You're not there? I thought you were there, not there. I don't see it pinging the map. You're pinging up there. I want to see the blips. I don't see it blipping. Huh, well, it's over that direction and it's not that far away. So we will continue with this excursion to go and find oil tomorrow. Because we've got a little bit of oil near us and I want to take advantage of it. So that's what we're gonna do. But we'll do that next time. I appreciate you coming by. I appreciate you stopping in, hanging out with me, talking with me in chat. I love it. We've got plastic to make. We've got fuel to make, rubber to make, and circuit boards to make. All new stuff here. Crude oil, 4 crude oil to make plastic. 8 crude oil to make fuel. 4 crude oil to make rubber. That just makes oil. It just takes oil, that's it. And then when we make plastic, we'll use that to make circuit boards. And circuit boards, you know, to make computers, among other things. So thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it. We'll see you next time.